themes of Viksit Bharat Challenge. Number one, Team 1, Youth in Democracy and Government for Viksit Bharat. Team 2, Women-led Development, the key to Viksit Bharat. Team 3, Fit Bharat, Hit Bharat. Team 4, Making India the startup capital of the world. Team 5, Bharat's soft power, cultural diplomacy and global influence. Team 6, Innovation with Tradition, building a modern Bharat. Team 7, Atmanirbhar Bharat, make in India, make for the world. Team 8, enhancing productivity through smart and sustainable agriculture. Team 9, building a sustainable and green Viksit Bharat. And Team 10, building a future ready workforce for Viksit Bharat. So these are the 10 teams.
Bobby Walang. I am the nodal officer for this Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue, and I am also the contingent leader for this team to Delhi. This Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue is a part of the 29th National Youth Festival, which will be held in Bharat Mandapan in New Delhi from the 9th to the 12th of January 2026. And this National Youth Festival is divided into 4 components. That is the Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue, Viksit Bharat Cultural Track, Viksit Bharat Design for Bharat, and Viksit Bharat Hack for Social Change. The Meghalaya contingent is taking part in the Youth Leader Dialogue, Cultural Track, and Design for Bharat. The Design for Bharat is a very unique program. It was an open concept inviting different technical institutions across India to create a unique innovation for the Viksit Bharat. So here we have 2 youths from Meghalaya. They are the students of Northeastern Hill University. One is Mr. Nishan Kumar Singh and Ms. Nikita Singh. They have designed a smart wearing watch. It's an assistive wearable device designed for their blind people to access information through touch of the watch. This project focused on reducing the high cost and bulky nature of existing Birdy device while maintaining portability and easy to use. The watch aimed to display time and notification on Birdy on the user wrist, making daily information and access more convenient, affordable and inclusive. Both of them at present they are in Delhi. They have on the 2nd they left for Delhi because they have to do lots of presentation, and we are proud that this innovation has been selected at the national level, and they will put up their idea in the presence of Sri Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, and other experts on the 11th January 2026.